Hey, it's Mike Dance at Brookside. One of the things that we're seeing a lot today are hosted solutions that aren't working out very well. Well, it has a lot to do with bandwidth, has a lot to do with all these companies, whether it's Ring Central, 8x8, they're all using the same technology. They're using basically a BroadSoft soft switch and SIP phones, and they're kind of just, making a solution that a lot of people have to share. Mitel has a completely different solution with MiCloud. MiCloud allows you to be able to have it basically in the cloud. However, it's a private cloud, so there's a lot of advantages to that. But at the end of the day, there's a lot more features and capabilities that it brings to the table that you'll actually use every day. Like any hosted solution, it's got a web interface more or less for you to go into a portal, an admin portal. So if you need to be able to do anything with the users or call groups or move phones around or do templates, I mean, it's real easy to use. Here's the auto attendant feature. I mean, anything you want to do, call routing destinations, company speed dials, music on hold. You own a little portal, so you kind of control your phone system from here, can make changes to it. The best thing though about the MiCloud solution is it uses Mitel's IP type technology in phones, including various phones like this. This is a really ridiculously cool conference room phone. It's got 16 microphones in it. When you're talking, the blue light's on you. It's got a nice Android touchscreen, so you come in, you hit a button, and it starts bringing up your directory. At the end of the day, it's got the ability to connect into cameras like this, to be able to web and video conferencing. It's a really slick unit that basically is a part of the solution. We also have multiple phones from here where there's 2 rows of buttons to where there's 3 rows of buttons. I mean, do you want a phone though that is really cool? There, we're talking about cordless. That's got 300 foot of range. That's crazy using DEC technology. But these phones are cool. They got like 3 pages of buttons. So you put everything in every one of these buttons on the phones. You can use that. Some people prefer to use an iPad. We can do that too. I mean, up to 8 devices can be connecting, running an app that shows what everybody's doing and allow you to be able, using a soft phone, to make and receive calls with a caller ID coming out like you're at the office. The best thing about that, if you think about it, on an Apple phone, is you look down, or an Android phone, or even a BlackBerry, if you have one of those still, you've got contacts, there's your dial pad, you got chat built in here, so I can chat with people, and everything I'm using within the app is my business, okay? When I make and receive calls, it's going out through basically through the cloud, but it looks like I'm at my desk. My voicemail comes in for work and goes into my inbox. My voicemail for my private calls go into my cellular voicemail. So everything's all separated. So one device allows you to do everything you need to do from anywhere and be able to communicate as needed with any device from anywhere. It's just that easy. What do you got? Android, you got Apple, it doesn't matter, whatever you got. And it starts at less than $20 a user a month, and from there you add what you can use. Like, for example, you can add audio, web, and video conferencing. All those things can be added with any cameras. You notice we're doing audio, web, and video conferencing without some kind of life-size or Polycom unit. It's time. It's time to get the Polycom out of your life. If you got those Polycom phones on your desk, a Ring Central or anything like that, that stuff is garbage. You need to get rid of it, okay? What we can deliver with Mitel's MiCloud eats it alive. It's less money. It just absolutely works a whole lot better because it's using IP technology. It's not using that SIP that's fighting the bandwidth. Let's just say we got a better way to do it. Give us a chance.